Hi guys, I'm TJ Griner, business manager with MarineMax St. Petersburg. If you're watching this video, chances are you're working with one of our team members on a new boat. Man, that's so exciting. Let me be the first to say, welcome to the MarineMax family. We truly appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. We're sitting in my office right now. When we get to the point of closing, we'll handle all of your closing documents right here. But before we talk about that, let's head out to the floating dock. That's where we're going to take delivery of your new boat. Okay, so we're on the floating dock, and perfect timing. We have a delivery of a brand new Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. Captain Chris is firing up the engines right now, getting ready to take it out on sea trial. What a phenomenal day. The weather's beautiful. This couple's getting ready to take home their brand new boat. This is what it's all about, folks. So as a business manager with MarineMax St. Petersburg, I have three main responsibilities. One is to provide information in regards to finance and insurance. The second would be to handle all your closing documents as well as take your final payment. And the last would be to register or Coast Guard document your vessel. Not only am I a business manager for MarineMax, but I'm also a boater. This is my boat here. So if you see me running the beach in St. Pete or out in Tampa Bay, make sure to say hi. I look forward to seeing you out on the water, hopefully on your new boat, maybe on one of our getaways trips.